Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need the basics ready? Phone, receiver, same Wi-Fi. Open your Airplay app now, don't stall. Grant permissions for local network and screen recording so streaming can start. Once permissions are set, select your receiver from the app's device list and tap Connect. If prompted, enter the code shown on the TV. Make sure battery optimization won't stop the app. Disable it for uninterrupted casting. This initiates the session and gets video or audio ready to stream. Now you'll pick what to cast and fine-tune performance. Select Screen Mirror for entire display or cast a specific video from inside an app. Once connected, open settings to choose resolution and latency, lower latency for games, higher resolution for movies. Adjust volume here and on your phone to avoid double audio. If the image looks off, rotate your device and enable full screen mode. Make sure background apps aren't hogging CPU, as that can cause stutter or audio sync issues while streaming. To finish, stop casting from the app or pull down Quick Settings and disconnect. That releases resources quickly. If the receiver vanishes or playback drops, first restart the app and your phone, next reboot the router and receiver. Make sure both devices use the same Wi-Fi band, too. 4 versus 5 GHz can matter. Update the Airplay app and receiver firmware. One key troubleshooting tip: if audio lags, toggle low latency mode or lower resolution to restore sync without restarting the session.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.